All right. Good afternoon. It is July 13th, 2021. It is Tuesday, and it is Vlog 122. Awesome. Vlog 122. And I think this is going to be, actually, yeah, it's going to be a short one, but yesterday, after I did the vlog, I edited stuff to the bike ride. Did some videos yesterday. What else did I do yesterday? I can't remember what I did yesterday. That was Monday. Tuesday, though. Let's look at the weather. Let's start with that. Another warm day today. It's been warm here on the west coast, especially in Long Beach. Let's see, 73, and it had a high of 79 today, and usually we're like 10 degrees less than what's going on around everybody else, so yeah, it's pretty good. It was a nice day, actually, because today was a slow morning. Woke up at 9, but then I decided to go for a walk, and I filmed that, and I will show that right now. All right. Sometimes I like to take walks out to Bluff Park, as you just saw the sign. This is like right above Long Beach. The other day I was at the pier, but this is just a little bit down the way, so I like checking out this spot because this little grassy area is pretty cool. Just in this area. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, just like hanging out. This is a good walk out to the thing. We have Tai Chi masters over here. Nice. I like some Tai Chi. Pretty cool. Right there. Damn. And I love these trees because actually, I think since it's summertime, kind of want to come out here and play a little bit of ukulele. And I think that's like a really good spot right there, right next to the walk. And then you also have this spot right here. So, or I could go play by the pier, which I showed you guys over there, and this is the pier from the bluff. And then it's kind of a hazy day, so I don't know. And the wind's blowing, so hopefully my voice is okay. And looks like a lot of activity. It's about, I don't know, it's about 12, a little bit after 12 right now. And I haven't been outside yet, so I decided to just come down here and walk to the beach. It's kind of the benefits of living the beach or away from the beach is this absolutely beautiful view. Even on a hazy day. And weather. Very nice. But yeah, just hanging out for a nice walk. I just sit here, enjoy the view for a little bit, and then I may walk down that way just to get some exercise, and then go back to the thing. Just a nice little walk around the neighborhood. I will take a few shots as I go along. So cool. That's my day today. Just a little break in Long Beach. See you in a few. So I'm walking down the bluff, and actually this part, I guess it's between Redondo and on Ocean. This is where they fly gliders. As you can see, this glider coming up. Pretty cool. Wow. Let's see if I can talk to these guys. Pretty cool stuff. What if they've ever crashed into anybody? It's kind of cool. Look at this wind. Yeah. So cool. I always wanted to do this. Kind of crazy. Looks like there's like good wind. This is cool. Fly by. I'm coming in for landing. Alright, that was the bluff. Now I'm walking down, I don't know, I'm on Coronado. I was gonna turn on Redondo, but right now this is like a really nice neighborhood by the beach. It's basically, I'm coming up to what is called First Street, and there's some awesome houses here. So I'll just keep on walking and recording and get some shots of some fantastic houses down this block. We've actually, me and Carrie have checked out houses because they've had open houses while we're walking here. And I think, God, that was a while back. A few years ago, we were looking at one house and it was like $1.9 million. So it's pretty expensive to live on this street right here. So you'll see in a minute. There's some cool houses. So, all right, let's turn the camera around and keep on walking. Oh, I forgot where we were. We're towards the end of First Street. Behind me is where all the super nice houses are, but there's some nice houses here. Check it out. Secret house. Yeah, we're just towards the end of the First Street where all the houses are. There's some cool ones here, but there's way better ones back the other way. So, cool. This is my little walk. I'm just gonna cruise on back. I'm down by Redondo, so it's a nice little walk back. I think I'll go up second. See you in a bit. All right. It was a cool little walk. Actually, over here, we live on the bluff. There's like different areas over here. And we live, I think I've said this before, we live on the highest point in the Belmont Shore area, I guess. And then right above the normal bike path, there's a little bluff. And then on that bluff, there's another bike path, as you saw. And that's, you know, it's kind of chill just to go over there. I was just looking, like I was showing you guys, I was looking for spots to like play either handpan or ukulele just on the walkway. And I think I found a couple spots, so that should be pretty fun. Went to the weed store today. I skated over there. That was cool. The walk was nice. And then came back and worked on some video edits and stuff like that. But yeah, it's been a pretty relaxing Tuesday. Most of my work I got done, and just working on just different little projects like I've always been. Actually, I've been still working on the sound experience now, and I'm working on a system for that. And then what else have I been working on? And we have cute kitty time right now. She's cleaning herself. Look at her. Oh my goodness, you're pretty. Yeah, what else am I working on? Actually, this week I'll probably go over to Dave's and we're gonna work on a video. And then just getting ready for my mom's 70th birthday this weekend. So on Saturday I'm gonna be playing ukulele, I guess, and also filming. So it should be pretty chill. But that's for my mom. But other than that, oh, actually, I talked to my sister today, so she wanted to talk to me about something. So I really can't say it because it's a secret, because my mom listens to this. So yeah, we got a secret for mom. But anyways, yeah, that's gonna be nice actually to see Chrissy. Wait till I get her on this. I'm gonna get her on. I'll do a call with her. I should do a video call with her. That'd be fun. Yeah, absolutely. I think I'll do a video call with her. That'd be pretty cool. But once you hear my sister, it's gonna be funny because she's gonna have some funny stories and stuff like that. But other than that, it's Tuesday. Yeah, it's just Tuesday. Life is good right now. Working on projects as always. And it is July 13th. It is Tuesday. And like always, every day. Every day. I like to say, keep on strumming ukulele. Yeah. See you tomorrow.